Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use hyperlinks on Gmail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into your Gmail account. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button and proceed with your credentials, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into your inbox. Now from your inbox page, go ahead and click on the compose button in order to send your email that contains a hyperlink. Now after adding all of your necessary information, such as whom you want to send the email to and the subject and your main body, if you wish to add any links as a hyperlink, now when you paste your link within your email, if it doesn't automatically hyperlink to its page title, then you can simply go ahead and copy the link, and you may also be able to find the change button. If you click on this, then you will find the text to display option. You can simply paste the link within the URL box, and then within the text to display section, you can enter your title. Now after entering your title, click on the OK button, and now your hyperlink will be added. Now if you click on this hyperlink, you will automatically be redirected into the link that you copied earlier. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add hyperlinks to your email on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.